Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can get or take screenshot on PC or laptop, whether you are using laptop or PC or like that. So you can do the same steps I will show you. You can simply get screenshot on the PC or laptop as well. So let's get started. To get screenshot, you have to simply press some keys to get screenshot on your PC. You have to simply do is press shift on your keyboard and then your home key or the Windows key, and then plus with you have to simply press S. Once you press on S, it's gonna be pop-ups over here this page, and you have to simply select the area that you want to screenshot it or like crop it from here. So as you can see, this I have get the screenshot of this. So as you can see over here, you can also get the same steps. You have to simply press shift and home button and then S, and it's gonna be pop-ups menu, and then you have to simply select the area that you want to get screenshot, and that's it. You have to simply click on this and it's gonna be saved on your PC's memory, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.